Hello everyone, my name is Jason and welcome to my channel, LUX Tarot. I'm here to do a reading for the collective. If it resonates, that's great. If it doesn't, leave it for someone else. I've already shuffled the cards and I went ahead and pulled, before I started recording, the energy this morning, and I sat and I kind of meditated on it. The card that I pulled for this reading is the Lunar Queen, she of the Celestial Crescent. This is very feminine energy here. Let's go ahead. I did look at what was wrote in here by Alana. I'm going to go ahead and read it because I think it's of importance to this reading. The Lunar Queen, she of the Celestial Crescent. There's a deep feminine wisdom that recognizes the importance of cycles of rest and replenishment as essential balancing to our actions of power and demonstration. You are asked to allow this replenishment for yourself now, trusting that you are in a cycle of creation that is about to shift into a new phase. Release and enjoy the process without having to control or force it. So this is powerful energy here. This is saying that you right now are in a place where you've manifested something, but sometimes we have the ability that we are not able to let go of the energy. We have this picture in our mind on how we want it to manifest, and that keeps the thing from manifesting fully as the universe wants to manifest. Because if the universe manifests something, it's going to manifest it beyond our wildest dreams. And you fixating and holding on to that manifestation will retard what the universe wants to bring to you. So it's real important that we detach and let things flow from a place of inner peace. I know it's harder said. It's easier said than done. It's kind of a hard thing to do, but if you can just trust the universe and just release everything to the universe and let it work in your life, you'll be better for it. So let's go ahead and see what the cards have to say. Let's pull some cards here. I'm going to start here in the past and see what's been affecting us in the past. Well, then we'll jump back to the present and see what the universe has to say about this here in the present. We'll get some angel messages after that and drop down here into the future probability and see what we got there. And then we'll pull another Isis Oracle card and see what she has to say to wrap this all up. So, in the past, we got 5 of Wands upright, fitting card. We got Princess of Swords upright. Wow, another fitting card. And we had Queen of Pentacles reversed. So, in the past, it looked like you were full of conflict, not able to get the clarity, and trying to force things in order to make them manifest as you saw fit. And you were in a place of fault. You were in a false sense of you were the one giving this new thing to yourself. Thank you, Spirit. We got the King of Swords upright. The Queen of Pentacles upright. And the 5 of Pentacles reversed. So, wow. I'm getting this King of Swords. I'm feeling the energy of Michael, the Archangel. He was working in your life, unbeknownst to you. And he had this gift that you were about, that you wanted to manifest in his hands, to let the universe do the work for you. And he was wanting you to release trying to control it. Interesting. But you were struggling to let go, and that kept you out of alignment with what the angels, Creator, the universe wanted to bring to you. Thank you, Spirit. That gives us some perspective on what's going on right now. Let's go ahead and pull what Spirit wants us to know here in the present. We got 3 of Cups upright. We got 6 of Wands reversed. And we got 9 of Cups upright. Spirit's telling you to go ahead and celebrate with Spirit right now. There's necessary steps needed to be taken towards you to successfully get your wish fulfillment right now. But Spirit's saying that it's in due course, it's in due time, it's coming. Be happy at where you're at. Staying in a place of wanting something to happen puts you in a future scenario, which is, we're here in the present. We need to stay present and be very content with where we're at, because the future is just a product of our imagination. The only real thing is in the present, and it brings you out of alignment. Yeah, if you keep in that, holding on to that future, trying to dictate what the future is going to bring to you, it's just going to make things fall apart. You need to look at the bigger picture right now. I think that's what Spirit's trying to say. Because all this is being done for a reason. It's a lot deeper than what you think, what you can see. In the cut there, I had the Page of Cups, and it was upright. You're just barely seeing the very surface of that cup. You're not able to see the deeper reasons in that cup for what's going on right now. So that's why it's really, really important to stay present and stay content with what Spirit's trying to bring you. We got Knight of Wands upright. We got the Magician upright. And we got the Page of Swords upright. I think Spirit's just saying you need to be practice being passionate about what you want to do and take action in that. Be passionate in what you can do here and now, and practice being clear on what's going on around you right now. Things are being balanced out and justice is coming. You just need to have faith and let the universe do what it does. Thank you, Spirit. Now let's see what the angels have for us. We got the Wheel of Fortune upright. Got the Ten of Swords reversed. Got the Page of Wands upright. And in the cut, we got the Sun reversed and the Fool upright. So what are you trying to say to us, angels? The angels are saying to be careful with this one because, as always, there's something deeper I'm not seeing right now. So the angels are saying, this karmic gift right now depends on you overcoming this lesson that's in front of you. This is a blockage that's in front of you. But you're able to overcome it. You just need to keep your eye on the prize and put your focus on what you're doing now in order to get to where you want to be. Things are kind of cloudy right now, but you're being asked to stay in that place of faith. Thank you, angels. Now let's get some potential outcome energy here. Got Nine of Swords reversed. We got Two of Swords reversed. And you got Ten of Swords reversed. Wow, you had Ten of Swords reversed up there in the angel. So what I'm seeing here, because you freed yourself from the worry of what's going on here now in the present, of worrying about what's coming towards you, you're starting to actually now start to see what the universe has for you. And you've overcome that obstacle of trying to hold on, trying to manhandle what was going to be manifested in your future. And your future is full of blessings now. Your cup's overflowing. We got the Three of Cups upright. We got the Five of Swords upright. And we got the Four of Swords upright. And Spirit's saying that in this future timeline, you're going to be happy, full of celebration, because you defeated what you had to defeat. You defeated yourself. You defeated that thing in yourself that was trying to keep you from your self-sabotaging nature. You defeated your own self-sabotaging nature. And now you're able to rest and be easy and trust the universe and what it brings. The Spirit's saying that you no longer have to look for the blessings. They just pop out right in front of you here in this future timeline. It's because you fully have faith, you're in alignment, and you trust that the universe is bringing this in, and it just shows up. Wow, what a great reading. This reading has just flowed effortlessly. I thank Spirit for that. Let's go ahead and see how Isis wants to tie this reading up. We'll go ahead and pull another Isis card, and we'll end this reading. So, wow, we got Chariot of Ascension, spiritual work, of the higher initiate. And if you look there, there's a Merkaba there, and it's purple, the color of royalty. I think what Spirit's saying here is this is a big but important challenge that's going to bring you into your royal destiny. This is beautiful. I just ask that you stay focused here and now, and find that trust in yourself. I know it's harder than some people. I mean, it seems easier said than done. But if you think about it, all it entails is just being here and trusting. It's the most easiest thing we could ever do, is to be here and trust what the universe got for us. So I'm going to leave you guys with that message. I'm going to go ahead and end it here. I love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Peace.